Let us learn about data hiding. This is one of the important topic in object orientation. And data hiding is related to encapsulation. After encapsulation, we can also achieve data hiding. What does it mean? Let us see. See, a class will contain data and the functions on that data. So all these things are together here inside this class. So by writing everything inside a block, we are achieving encapsulation. But the problem here is I have made everything as public. Data also public, functions also public. As already I have given some examples that if you see a television box, everything is kept inside the box, closed inside the box. Even there will be a warranty seal on the box, and only what is visible outside is the buttons that are nothing but functions. Switch on, switch off, it's an operation, it's a function. Press that button, function will be performed. Volume change, press the button, volume will increase or volume will decrease, like that. For all these operations, buttons are available. So those buttons are nothing but functions. And when you press the button, something happens inside the circuitry to respond to that particular function. Similarly, if you take an example of a car, everything is covered inside a bonnet and nothing is visible, only the functions are visible at the dashboard, and whatever the operation that you perform here, that affects inside the engine, that is inside the bonnet only, but directly you cannot access bonnet, you access everything through these functions, that is acceleration and change of gear and all these things. By observing the products of other engineering, we can find that only the function should be made as public, data should be made as private. Because the data is public, we are able to directly create the object and access data r.length, r.breadth. We are able to access it. When we are able to access it, imagine it like this. This is a television box. Okay, this is a television box. Imagine that. And there are some wires coming out of the box. The wires that are hanging out. Now you can join these wires, some function will be performed. If you join wrong wires, then television may not work properly. Suppose this television belongs to your company. I have purchased this television and I am playing with those wires. Something wrong happens. I blame whom? Your company. You did not make this television properly. I was joining the wires only, but television is not working properly. So you will be blamed. So you should not have anything coming out of the television. For all the functions you provide buttons here, so that user press the button. If this is not working, then you are responsible. Really, you are responsible now, because what is happening inside, I don't know. I am a user. So you have provided these functions, and when I call those functions, if it is not working properly, then you are responsible for that. So same way here, directly I am accessing those wires and the cables, I am trying to join them. Now if anything goes wrong, if this is your class, then I will blame you. If you hide everything and say you access everything through function, then you can control everything there. I am a programmer and you are also a programmer who have written this class. I am using it. As you know very well that object orientation helps reusing of the code and sharing of the code. Suppose it's your class, I am using it. If I say I have written that class and I am writing main function, then something wrong happening here because of the class, I should check back the class. Means I did not write the class perfectly. Once I wrote the class, I should not look into it at all. I should guarantee that it is perfect. I have discussed so many things related to data hiding. I have given various examples. Now let us see how these are related to it. Just watch. You kept those wires open, public, right? Data members open. I will write -5 here. Is it right? Breadth, can it be negative? I don't know. I am just a user. I am concentrating on my main function. Assume this class is already there. I don't know about rectangle. I don't even know that length and breadth can be negative. Or maybe my mistake, I have done it. Now, I will say cout r dot area. What is the output? -50. Area cannot be negative. Yes, definitely area cannot be negative. I am getting area as negative because the breadth I have given as negative. So I am mishandling the things. The things are going wrong, you see. Because you have kept this thing public and you are allowing me to access. So I can say that your class is wrong, your class is not perfect. It's giving negative area. Same thing. You connected wrong wires and you are saying that television is bad. I have connected wrong wire and I am saying that the television is bad. So that's it. So it's all philosophy behind object orientation. So that philosophy I am trying to share with you. So if you think in this way, then you can design classes properly. So that data member should not be made as public. So you got the answer. Now, why they should not be made as public? If that are made as public, there are chances that they may be mishandled here. Right? If mishandling is done, the functions of a class may not give right results and we cannot rely on such classes. Though it is a mistake of a programmer, but the class will also be blamed equally for giving wrong results. What the class was doing when the programmer was setting it as -5. So class is equally blamed for that. And we are claiming that when we write classes, we write perfect code, flawless code. So that's all. I have given you the philosophy behind this one. Now what to do? What to do now?